Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the location of your phone, like GPS or something like that, in the Samsung M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to settings here, and search for a location. Yes, it's just right here. It's been on. You can turn it off to turn off your location. When you enable it, or your phone just already been located. So you can choose the app permission to locate your phone. As you see, allow all the time. This application allowed only when it knows it is the application, and not allow it is this sort of application with not allow it to be located. There is a located service here, and as you see, the relocated service is from Google. Right now, you can improve your accuracy by your Wi-Fi scanning or Bluetooth scanning. You can disable it if you wish to gain your extra battery gain, because located costs some energy for that. Yep. So that's it for now about the location and GPS and tracker. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.